Welcome back to episode 66 of this never-ending project. So my plan was for this weekend to take the truck into work, use the forklift or the hoist to pull the body off and weld everything up. Now, I was under there doing some measurements for some other stuff, checking all my link calculations and whatnot, and I think I can get majority of it without taking the body off, if not all of it. So I'm going to give it a crack, because that saves a big hassle of putting it on the trailer again and towing it there and unloading it, reloading it, etc. I've got to weld off all my sliders, a couple of welds on the top of my gearbox mounts and stuff like that. And I wanted to try and cut this rear cross member out at the back here, and then I want to put the box section in pretty much like I did at the front, just add more strength, and then I can build my tyre rack off that. But yeah, so basically just a bit of welding and cutting and welding today. And if I get time, I'm going to try and fit my hydraulic bump stops to the rear. Now that I've got the bump stop cans, etc., I can cut into the chassis and get started with that. So wish me luck, and I'm gonna go get started. Well, I ran out of gas, got some more gas today, and I didn't think to check my wire. So, I'm done. That's it. See you guys next week. Yeah. You know, one of these days I'm going to learn to carry a spare roll so I can carry on when I run out. One day. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell, let us know how much suck I bring each week with my fails, but it's all good, it happens, all part of the fun when you're trying to build something. And yeah, if you need a t-shirt or you need a hoodie because it's getting cold wherever you are, it's summertime here, might be winter time over there where you are, grab yourself a tight squeeze one or an Off-Road Addiction one from our website, offroadaddiction.tv, and I'll see you guys next week.